Now we have Jeevanashri K, who will come to us and tell us what she has learned today. Yeah?
A very good evening to one and all. Good evening to respected sirs and everyone. Myself, K. Jeevanashri from D1. So now I'm going to talk about euthanasia and explain about it in my own words. So euthanasia, mercy killing, the right to die with dignity, as our respected seniors explained. Um, Euthanasia is ending a person's life um, intentionally killing person by giving euthanasia like a vaccine and ending their life. So I'm going to talk about types of euthanasia like voluntary and involuntary. Involuntary euthanasia is where euthanasia is given to a person without their consent, like patient, like against patient's will. So uh, this is like how like patient could not be in a position to able to express their feelings, so involuntary euthanasia is given to them, and think that ending their life is the solution. So, and coming to the voluntary euthanasia, is killing ending the person's life, um, ending the person's life like by their consent, like they ask for it and and then they'll take their consent and they'll end the person's life. So coming to the doctors, just because doctors have the option like euthanasia, they should not go for it, because because doctors should are like our second gods, and they should uh, try to save a person's life but not to end it. They should think in a multiple ways to how to save a person and how to find a solution to it. And coming to the government sector, maybe instead of giving it a thought on euthanasia and how to make it legalized and conducting debates on euthanasia, government should build some care institutions or research institutions for taking care of those kind of patients, so that there is no need to kill the person, so that the person can live their life with their consent or without their consent, and provide free treatment for them, so that they can be able to live their life. And coming to the research institutions, providing for the medical students, so that they get a chance to invent or discover a medicine for these kind of diseases, so that they also can provide palliative care to them, and they can save a person's life. So death is not a solution and death is not an end. So we can find a solution in this miraculous world, and in this modern technology we can find a solution for everything. And thank you everyone. Forgive me if I spoke anything wrong or vocabulary in my vocabulary or grammatical mistakes. Thank you.